Chairman, sir, it's now become a sort of habit for some in the opposition to constantly allege whatever this government is doing, in spite of all that we're doing for the poor, and more needs to be done, and that is not denied at all. In spite of the various steps, obviously seen steps taken for helping the poor and needy of this country, a false narrative is created to accuse, saying, oh, this government works only for cronies. I just want to come up with some details before I get into some of the details in the budget to say, houses completed under PM Awas Yojana, sir, more than 1.67 crore houses have been completed. Is that for the rich? Households which have been electrified under Saubhagya since 2017 October is more than 2.67 crores. Is that for the rich? Total value of orders placed on government e-marketplace is 8,22,077 crore, which is more than 8 trillion of rupees. Are they being given to big companies? They are being given to MSMEs. So we have helped out small and medium companies to ensure themselves getting a market. Is that for the rich and the big capitalists? Length of the road sanctioned under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana is, and that is strictly between 2014-15 and those years, 2,11,192 kilometers. Those roads go to villages. Are they villages only for the rich, or are they villages where people who belong to the lower sections of the society also live? Are they villages where Garib don't live? So, whose lifeline are these roads? So, unthinkingly just keep throwing allegations saying, oh, this is for crony capitalists, this government is working only for the rich. Please answer these questions. Total verified applications on National Scholarship Portal, more than 9 crore people, and all of whom are getting fellowships. For whom are these fellowships going? Are they going for the rich? Are they going for the capitalists? Are they going for the cronies who the UPA government had happily encouraged? And now to stand up and each time create a false narrative. Before I get into the details of the budget, I want these questions to be kept in mind much before false narratives are thrown at us. Number of farmers registered on eNAM, sir, approximately 1.69. eNAM was thanks entirely due to the Prime Minister's effort to make sure that the farmers are connected all over the country and he's not constricted by the local markets. If he has opportunities better anywhere else, he should have it. Are these farmers rich corporate farmers? No, not at all. They are the small farmers. Number of digital transactions, sir, via UPI from August 2016 till January 2020. More than 3.6 lakh crores. UPI is used by who? The rich? The corporate? No, not at all. The middle class, the smaller traders, all of them use UPI. So who are these people then? Is this government creating UPI, facilitating digital transactions to benefit some rich cronies, some damads? Not at all. It is helping only the poor. Number of farmers registered, sir, under PM Fasal Bima Yojana. Almost 9 crore farmers. Farmers who benefit out of Fasal Bima Yojana are not large corporate farmers. So, when you allege us, saying you're not taking care of small and medium-sized farmers, Prime Minister, while standing and speaking in response to the debate on presidential address, spoke extensively about small farmers. And I want to remind you of this number, which is the number which benefits from PM Fasal Bima Yojana. For whom is that? Loans sanctioned under Mudra Yojana. More than 27,000 crores have gone under the Mudra Yojana. Who takes Mudra Yojana? Damads? Therefore, please, don't you allege us much before. Sir.
Please. अब बैठ जाए. किसी के नाम लिया नहीं उन्होंने. Unnecessary आप क्यों पोस्ट करते?
Sir, Damad, I didn't think I would trade back of the Indian National Congress.
Please.
Damad.
No.
हर घर में होता है.
Digvijay Singh ji, it is not going on record. Why are you wasting your energy?
Specialized नाम है.
No, let us not be disturbed about Damad.
परिवार.
Let us go up with our discipline. आपका रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जा रहे. आपका वोकल कार्ड खराब हो जाएगा. प्लीज.
Thank you, sir. Sir, total number of beneficiaries under PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana, 6,000 rupees directly through the direct benefit transfer to small and medium-sized farmers. 11 crore farmers have received PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. I can go on like